Hello, Sanbonani. Today we are making a delicious appetizer. It's made of the star of the show, burrata and basil pesto. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients and more information. Let's begin. Toast the pine nuts until they have an aroma and they are golden. We're using medium heat. Cool them and grind them. Now, in a food processor, place fresh basil leaves, olive oil, and those ground pine nuts. Add fine parmesan cheese and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add salt and pepper to taste and blend well. I would like to say thank you for clicking in to watch my video and for your continuous support. Add oil if necessary and mix. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you enjoy it here. Add grated garlic to the pesto and stir. I almost forgot to add it. If you like my content, please kindly subscribe. Press the notification bell below to be part of the family. Now let's roast tomatoes. Place cocktail tomatoes in a baking pan. Add finely chopped onions. Add olive oil, salt, black pepper to taste, and stir. Bake the tomatoes until they are blistered at 180 degrees or 376 Fahrenheit for all ovens. Take them out, move them to one side, and sprinkle apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. You have white vinegar. Now for the star of the show, burrata. Gently drain the liquid from the container, the burrata container. Now we're serving them. Place tomatoes on a serving plate. Carefully place the burrata at the center. I say carefully because it breaks easily. Drizzle olive oil and serve with pesto and toasted bread. Please kindly press the like button. Leave a comment below about your thoughts on this recipe. Let everyone gather around to enjoy this deliciousness. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.